is a watch that I am in. Severe thunderstorm watch number 670. I'm recording on my laptop just in case my phone bugs out. Which honestly might happen because it just recently started up.
More details at weather.gov/Norman and follow our weather forecast office on Twitter and Facebook.
Number 67! 97, frick. That's 97.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 670, effective until midnight Central Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Lincoln, McLean, Oklahoma, and Potawatomi. The watch means that conditions are full of severe weather, including hail and dams. So the watch, while severe weather may not be imminent, rapidly weather conditions. Listen for statements and possible.
We are edging to number one.
Commercial radio and television outlets or internet for the latest severe weather information.
I make 97.
A strong thunderstorm will impact.
Nice. 97. Okay, it's 5:22. Oh, 23, right? And like, oh dang it. And like, things are already picking up out here. Like, ow! Can the plane stay up? Like, it was not like this like 2 hours ago. Yeah, and it actually wasn't that bad. It was just a little rain this morning, and that was it. Okay, it's the next minute, and it just now started raining. This is escalating so quickly. Like, that is rapidly intensifying right now. Holy crap, that is actually insane. SVR! SVR! 98! That's 98!
The Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Oklahoma County.
Yep,
and central
that's me!
East Central Canadian County in central Oklahoma until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
6:15. You know what? Hold on. Let me open Microsoft Edge. Weather star 4000 plus. Yeah. I'm gonna just start leaving this open and turn on the hazardous weather thing.
Northwestern Oklahoma City, Western Redmond, Yukon, Bethany, War Eaters, The Village, Piedmont, Nichols Hills, Woodlawn Park, and Richland.
Yeah, here we go.
For your protection, move to an
That's just the special weather statement.
National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe
99! 99 Lincoln and my county. Just one more, and I'll reach it.
Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, until 6:30.
I'm getting close. I'm getting super duper close. Just one more warning of any kind. I don't care which one it is. I just don't want number 100 to end up being a test.
Include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and maple size hail.
Maple.
This is radar indicated.
What maple size?
The following
Maple size is 88 inch. That's a little bit specific.
Locations impacted include northeastern Oklahoma City, eastern Redmond, Chandler, Choctaw, Hara, Jones, Luther, Meeker, Wellston, and Warwick. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is refreshing.
The National Weather Service has issued severe.
Nice. Now it's talking about a heat advisory? What? Is it... Wait, is it randomized each time? Surely not, right? Right? It wouldn't be. Kinda. Between heat advisory and the special weather statement. Look at this! Look at the concrete! It's dancing! Like, I'm actually hearing and actually seeing some lightning. It's flashing out there. I saw a few flashes. Wow. Okay. I honestly just might get number 100. I'm not even gonna lie to myself. I actually might do that. Number 100! You shut your stinking mouth right now. Oh. What is this? Lincoln and Payne. Focus, please. Please focus. Lincoln and Payne. Oh my gosh. We actually gosh dang did it. Look at that line right there. Holy crap, we actually hit it. I am actually so happy. We did it! We hit the triple digits. We're part of the big boys now. Dude, my cat is just wondering what the frick is happening right now. We just hit number 100! The streets are soaked outside. Oh, we actually did it! Yay! Number 100! We're part of the big boys now! 101! Heck yeah, baby! Heck yeah, baby! Just like the movie, 101 Dalmatians. Man, get these books out of here. I don't read books. Oh, and Mom just got here. I can't wait to tell her about this. I just hit number 101. Hey!
The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chandler, Stroud, Davenport, Kendrick, Avery, and Parkland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman.
Wait, what? Why did they do that? I'm pretty sure this was the number 100. Like 101 is like the exact same thing. What the heck? There's 102.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, southwestern Lincoln County and central Oklahoma, northwestern Potawatomi County and central Oklahoma until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles north of Hera, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Oh boy, that's pretty big.
The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles
Whoa.
is expected.
Wait a minute.
Wind damage to
Is that a hook? That might be a hook.
impacted include eastern Oklahoma City, Shawnee, Choctaw, Hera, McLeod, Jones, Baker, Johnson, Dale, Duwala, and Idlewild. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, this might end up being a tornado. That might end up being one. I don't know. Doesn't look like anything.
Thunderstorm warning for West Central Grady County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Anadarko, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anadarko, Verdon, Pecasset, Lake Chickasay, and Labadee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lincoln and southeastern Payne counties is canceled.
That's your cold front. No, this actually be nice.
I don't know why I'm not saying a word anymore. That's 103.
100 plus over here.
1 inch hail.
Like,
Caddo, Grady.
The southern and central plains.
Stupid Grady storms. They're so far away from me.
The service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southeastern
104.
County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tuttle, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southwestern Oklahoma City, southwestern Norman, Moore, Newcastle, Mustang, Tuttle, Goldsby, and Bridge Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service can...
Oh my gosh, this is like back to back.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oklahoma County and
Oh, it's for me.
southwestern Lincoln County and central Oklahoma,
West Central Missouri.
Yet another SVR for OK. Oh my gosh. This is insane.
I see, let's see, we're gonna hop y'all back over here. I do see a couple storms out there in the west, between Memphis and Nashville. For the infrared, we got a bit of connection.
Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Oklahoma City, northeastern Norman, Midwest City, Choctaw, Hara, McLeod, Spencer, Tacoma Park, Pink,
I hate how back to back this is. This is actually crazy.
Tinker Air Force Base, Northern Lake Thunderbird, and Bethel Acres. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Like I was saying, still a little far out, but we'll
Strong thunderstorms.
Wow. These are issuing out so quick.
True color.
What is this, 105?
Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Seminole County and east central Oklahoma, northeastern Potawatomi County and central Oklahoma until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
I thought we were done. It's 8:11. It's been about 2 hours since the last one was issued.
35 miles an hour.
Well, 1 hour.
Expected hazards
If I were to be accurate.
60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Oh, wow.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. locations impacted include Shawnee, Seminole, Tecumseh, Maud, Hillsborough, Molex, Johnson, Brookville, Little, Lima, Centerview, and Harjo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for...
Why is it refusing to focus?
Central
Whatever.